We present you iBook Ride. Don't you just hate when you are on a sunny day, tired after work trying to catch a cab and all are busy? Guess what? We have a solution. With iBook Ride, you can have your ride in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is open your iBook Ride application on your cell phone, specify your desired location and click Get Right. Our application will automatically find your location and delivers to you the closest taxi in your area. You also have an option to book a taxi in advance or choose the way you pay. Have full control of your trip history and being able to track your trips from your home or your work office and leave a feedback for our service. Spending hours trying to catch a taxi are past. iBook Ride, powered by Expert2Go Solutions, DMCC.